In this part of the video, we are going to publish our report to the Power BI service. So if we take a look at the menu here, there is an option to publish. So if you click on that, to publish the report to the Power BI service, just select where it's got destination, just select the default and click select. And what that would do, it will publish the report to the Power BI service. It's telling you success. It has published it to the Power BI service. So this is the name of the report. So if you click on it, it will open up the report in the Power BI service. It will open up exactly the same report that you have on your Power BI desktop. So you'll be presented with this interface again, prompting you to log in. If you've not already signed in, just click on sign in, and that should bring up another interface. Just enter your username and then password. Once you've entered your password, just click on sign in to sign in to the Power BI service. You may get a prompt, just say no. I'm just going to click on this. So this is a separate browser window. This here is actually the Power BI service. You can see here on the Power BI service, we have exactly the same data, the same report that is being displayed in the window of the Power BI desktop. Okay, I'm just going to exit that and open up the report. So looking at the Power BI service here, we can see that the data has been transferred across, as well as the visualization for our report. So this window, this browser window I've got here is the Power BI service, and this one here is the Power BI desktop. So we've published the report from the Power BI desktop onto the Power BI service. Within the Power BI service, you can create dashboards and also pin your visuals and your charts or map, whatever data you want. You can pin that to your dashboard. So under my workspace area here, if I expand that, you can see in my dashboard area, it says I have no dashboard. So to create a new dashboard, what I can do, you can see here, if I put my mouse over this information here, you can see this pin here. So it says pin visual. So I click on that. It gives me this option. So I'm going to create a new dashboard. I'm going to call it my first dashboard, and I click pin. So that will pin that information to my dashboard. And I can do the same with this data here. I could click pin if I want to pin the visuals. Again, I can say existing dashboard. It will pin that to this dashboard I just created. I say pin, and I'll do the same. I come here on the map here. Just going to exit that and do the same, pin this to my dashboard. Again, I'll pin it to the existing dashboard. Okay. Now, if I go over to my workspace, you can see here under dashboards, I've got one dashboard here called my first dashboard. If I click on it, you see exactly the stuff that I've pinned onto the dashboard. So you can always go back into your reports. So this is under reports here. I've got my first report. I'll click on that and that loads the report. So you can go back into the report. You can add more visualizations from different data sources or from different data sets. Okay. So now that the report is published, we can share it among members of our team or organizations. Take a look at our dashboard area here under the data set. This data set basically is the data or the model that this visualization report was created from. So if I click on my first report here, it shows you the actual data here. So these are all the columns from the table that we used to build the visualization. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.